my pupil Bea is coming from Dileneja. He is a pupil in fourth form. Now we have to do the recall about the last lesson. Himself is going to tell you the previous lesson. Good morning, Mr. Bea.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, you're welcome today at this radio. I think last time we did talk about the form in present tense. You can give a sentence in which we found the form there.
Okay, I can give a sentence in which we found the ing form in the present tense.
Okay.
For example, I am speaking English.
Okay, I am speaking English. There, you can understand. The ing form is there. We are going to take the verb to speak and we add ing at the end of the verb and we have the sentence in ing form. And when we talk about ing form, the action is in progress at the same time, and we are talking or we are speaking. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what's the lesson today?
Today we are going to deal with the sentence.
Sentence. Okay.
Okay.
Now you have to understand that, and it's very fantastic for you. Today you have to pay attention, and this man is going to deal with this topic, sentence or sentences. Okay, the topic is
the sentence.
The sentence. What is it about?
Okay, the sentence may be defined as an arrangement or a group of words that makes a complete sense.
Okay, that you are going to understand there. When you talk about sentence, we have to get a complete and we have to make a correct sense. Yeah, thank you. But what's the French for sentence?
The French for sentence is la phrase.
Thank you, Barat. Okay, now you have to deal with your lesson. Okay? And I ask you to speak aloud. Okay? So that everybody can understand you where they are listening you or where they are catching you. Okay, let's go.
Okay, as I told you before, a sentence is an arrangement of words that makes complete sense. For example, Kabwika is singing a song. And there you can understand that that sentence has a complete sense. Another sentence is the room is clean. And there you can see that the room is clean and it has a complete sense. Another example is what has brought you here? It is just like a question, but it has a complete sense. Okay.
Yeah, thank you to give sentences, and we did found the complete sense as you've just told us. But you can translate even if one sentence so that they can understand the sentence is correct or it is meaningful. Okay? Because when you talk about sentence, it must be meaningful. Okay? Yeah, let's go.
I can translate this one. The room is clean.
Okay.
The room is clean means la salle est propre.
Okay, thank you to translate that in French now. You have to deal with the following about this topic. Let's go.
After knowing the definition, I'm going to continue with the structure of sentence.
Yeah. But we talk about structures.
Okay.
What is it about?
La structure d'une phrase.
Thank you. Let's go now.
You must know that every sentence has two parts. The first one is a subject and the second one is a predicate.
Thank you to talk about that. It's very fantastic. You have to follow my teacher or my pupil. Excuse. My pupil Bea is there teaching you an important lesson. You have to listen this carefully. Okay, you are about structures. Can you repeat, please?
Okay, I said that every sentence has two parts, a subject and a predicate. For example, children play. Another example, the children played in the garden.
Okay, as you've taught us a sentence about structures, we are going to find the two parts.
Okay.
You have to tell us the first part and the second, and you can explain us about the first and the second.
Okay. In the first sentence I given you, children play. There, children is considered as a subject and play as a predicate. In the second sentence, the children's is considered or are considered as the subject and played in the garden is considered as the predicate.
Thank you very much. Now you can go ahead with your topic.
Yeah, so that you can well understand, I can explain what is the subject and what is the predicate. The subject, when we talk about subject, the subject refers to a person, a place, or a thing about which something is said in the sentence. And
Okay.
the predicate says something about the subject. The word or the words that says something about the subject are called or is called the predicate.
Okay, thank you about that. And I think we are going to deal with the types if you did prepare about that.
Okay.
The second point you have to find about types, or there is another point that you are going to go with it.
I'm going to go with parts.
Yeah.
We distinguish four kinds or four types of sentences.
Okay.